Dear friends, in 11th standard, exercise 2.3, that is second chapter, relations and function, we have third question. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of f of 0. Means we have to put x is equal to 0 to find this f of 0. Understand this? We are given f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. It means f of 0 is equal to 2 multiplied by 0 minus 5. That is equal to, you can understand, 2 into 0 is 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Then next is, we are asked to find f of 7. To find f of 7, put x is equal to 7. Put x is equal to 7 in f of x. So you will get f of 7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5. That is equal to 7 to the 14 minus 5. It means answer is 9. And third is f of minus 3. So here to find this, we have to put x is equal to negative 3. Put x is equal to negative 3 in f of x. You will get f of x is equal to f of minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. We were given 2x minus 5, so 2 into x is minus 3 minus 5. So this is equal to 3 to the 6, negative 6, negative 5. It means it will be negative 11. So answer is negative 11. Dear friends, fourth question is, the function T which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by T of C is equal to 9 multiplied by C divided by 5 plus 32. It means this C is a temperature in degree Celsius. If you multiply temperature in degree Celsius by 9 and divide it by 5, to the answer whatever you get, if you add 32, you will get temperature in Fahrenheit. So let us try to understand. This is what the formula is. If C is 0, temperature is 0 degree Celsius. That is, if C is equal to 0, so put C is equal to 0, you will get temperature corresponding to 0 degree Celsius in Fahrenheit. So let us see what we get. It is T into T0 is equal to 9 multiplied by 0 divided by 5 plus 32. Any number multiplied by 0 and divided by 0 divided by 5, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and if 0 is divided by any number we get 0. So this is equal to 0 plus 32. It means it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Try to understand this. 0 degrees Celsius corresponds to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Next we are asked, what will be temperature in Fahrenheit if C is equal to 28 degrees Celsius. So for this, put C is equal to 28. You will get T28 is equal to 9 multiplied by 28. 9 multiplied by 28 upon 5 plus 32. So this is equal to 8 9s are 72. 7 carries. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 7 is 25 upon 5 plus 32. Now if you divide this, you will get 5 5s are 25. Then 2 is there. So you have to divide that 2. 5 zeros are 0. Then comes 4. 50.4 plus 32. That is equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. So 28 degree Celsius corresponds to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Next, let us find the temperature in Fahrenheit corresponding to negative 10 degree Celsius. So put C is equal to negative 10. We will get in T of C. That is, function is written in the form of T. So here we will get T of negative 10 is equal to 9 multiplied by negative 10 upon 5 plus 32. So this is equal to 9 tens are 90, negative 90 upon 5 plus 32. If you divide this, you will get 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40 plus 32. Now 32 plus negative 18 plus 32. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 1 bar written, you will get 14 degree Fahrenheit. It means negative 10 degree Celsius corresponds to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, fourth question is asked in a reverse way. The value of C, we are asked to find the value of C when T of C is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Means we are given this. T of C means left side is given to us. Please understand. Left side is 212 and we are asked to find the value of C. So this, putting this value in the equation, we get 212 is equal to 9 multiplied by C upon 5 plus 32. So try to understand. If 32 is transposed to the left side, it is positive, it will become negative. So you will get 212 minus 32 is equal to 9 into C upon 5. So this is equal to 32. You will get 180 is equal to 9 into C multiplied divided by 5. So if you cross multiply this, you will get C is equal to 180 multiplied by 5. This cross 180 will multiply 5 and 9 will divide it. I have written LHS to the RHS and RHS to the LHS. So this is equal to, we know 9 to the 18. So this is 20 multiplied by 5 means 100 degrees Celsius. Please note 212 degree Fahrenheit corresponds to 100 degrees Celsius.